Pakistan has been engaged in sincere and consistent efforts for promoting lasting peace and stability in Afghanistan. We have been making serious efforts to facilitate an Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace process. We believe that a politically negotiated settlement is the most viable option for bringing peace to Afghanistan. Pakistan's commitment and support for Afghanistan's peace, progress, and prosperity remains unflinching. We have time and again emphasized that bringing Taliban and others to negotiation table is not just Pakistan's responsibility. All the 4 members of QCG have a joint commitment to the peace and reconciliation in Afghanistan. We have also advised that the blame game would only benefit those averse to peace and stability in Afghanistan. Pakistan's stakes in peace and stability in Afghanistan are higher than others.